Hello everybody. Today for reading we're going to read Click Clack Ho Ho Ho, and then we're going to do a little writing activity about a gift you would like to give someone. We've already written about things we would like to get for Christmas, but today we're going to think about and write about a gift we would like to give. But first we're going to read Click Clack Ho Ho Ho. This is one of my favorite Christmas stories. I love all the stories about the animals at Farmer Brown's. This is written and illustrated by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. They wrote the words and they drew the pictures. Snow is falling. Lights twinkle. A few creatures are stirring. It is Christmas Eve. There's a jingle in the air. Farmer Brown stops to listen. Santa is on his way. Is it really Santa? Who is it? Santa Duck. There is swooshing up above. Farmer Brown runs to the window. Santa is getting close. He's really getting close. There's a pitter-patter on the roof. Farmer Brown hurries off to bed. Santa is almost here. Oh, who do you see up there now? Ho, ho! Uh-oh. Duck is stuck. The sheep go up to unstuck Duck. Ho, ho! Uh-oh. The sheep are stuck. The cows go up to unstuck Duck. Ho, ho! Uh-oh. The cows are stuck. The pigs go up to unstuck Duck. Ho, ho! Uh-oh. The pigs are stuck. They all go up to unstuck Duck. Ho, ho! Uh-oh. Everyone is stuck. It is Santa's turn to unstuck Duck. Ho, ho! Oh, no. Don't be silly. Santa would never get stuck. They all had him unstuck, didn't they? Now all around the tree in the light's warm glow, all the creatures are stirring. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. All right. We're going to think about, we wrote the other day our letters to Santa asking for what we would like for Christmas. Today we're going to think about something you would like to give for Christmas. Christmas is all about giving to others too. So we're going to do a little writing prompt. I'm going to do mine to kind of model for you how this is going to go, and then you're going to do yours on your own at home. So first I'm going to put my name on there. And then part of the sentence is written for us. It says, this Christmas I want to give blank to blank. So you have two parts to do. First, you have to choose what kind of gift you would want to give, and you're going to write that here. And then you're going to choose who you would give it to. So you're going to write their name here. And then the third thing you have to do is draw the picture at the top, okay? So I'm going to model for it. First, I'm going to think, who would I want to give a gift to, and what do I want to give them? So I think I want to give my little girl, Raylan, I'm going to give her a scooter for Christmas, okay? So I'm going to finish this sentence. So when I'm done, it says, this Christmas, I want to give a scooter to Raylan, okay? So I'm going to write a scooter first. A scooter to Raylan, and I'm going to start her name with an uppercase letter because it is her name. You always start people's names with an uppercase letter. They've already got the period there for us, so I don't need to add that. So now my sentence says, this Christmas I want to give a scooter to Raylan. I'm going to draw a picture of her scooter here. Scooter kind of looks like that. So there's Raylan's scooter. And if I wanted to color it, I'd color it red. That's the color the scooter we got her is going to be. And then you can color the little helper here giving a gift, and the presents on your page as well. So think for a minute about what kind of gift you would like to give, who you're going to give it to, finish your sentence, and then draw a picture to go along with it. I'd love to see pictures of your papers when you're done.